Alright, so it's Wednesday. I'm back out here looking for these stupid mushrooms. I was out here last Friday, didn't find any. This is my third attempt to try and find mushrooms in the space of about a month. But yesterday my brother said he found 80 to 100 mushrooms out here. So here we go. Third round. Fight! Right? The May-apples are nice and big now. They're pretty small when I was out here on Wednesday. Or correction, Friday. I almost swear that when I come out here looking for these things, they hear me coming, they know I'm coming, so they duck back underneath all this dead leaves and hide from me. So I'll keep looking. I'm out here a little bit earlier than last time. Kind of in competition with the deer, the turkey, the squirrels. My brother's dogs that's coming up on me now. They're also out here looking for these things. No luck. This is where my brother's dogs. I bet you she's finding them everywhere, eating them. Since she's slightly ahead of me, she's outpacing me. Check out this tree. It grew up around, it looks like to me, fence. I got stuck inside the tree as it was growing. I used to be really good at finding mushrooms when I was a kid. Where are they hiding? How did my brother find almost 100 of these things yesterday? And I can't find a single one. It's my defense. For not finding any, the dog outpaced me. Ate all the ones I could find. And my brother picked them all yesterday. There was none left for me to find today. That's my story, and I'm sticking with it. Yeah, let's just follow her, see where she goes. Picking out the spots where they come up tomorrow. She's gonna be out here before me and eat them again. I'm telling you, she's looking for them. Look at her. Going to all my favorite spots when I was a kid. Three times I searched this stretch of the woods, no luck for any mushrooms. My brother clearly has his secret spots where he's finding all these mushrooms yesterday. Maybe I need to set out trail cams and follow him, figure out where he's finding all these mushrooms. Oh well. It's quite a bit cooler this morning. On a plus note, like the previous two times, I'm walking out of the woods with no ticks on me. I also sprayed some off on my pant legs. That probably helped as well. No mushrooms.